Then if you want to declare constant values, for example, in C language, as you define hash, define for example A10, that will be assumed that wherever the word A is used, it will be replaced by the value 10. So this type of constant can also be declared in assembly language by using a word that is EQU, that is a short form of equate. For example, here you can see that the one example in which LF EQU0AH is written. Basically LF is the name and equate is the directive, and 0AH is the actual value. This command will do that whenever the word LF is used, that will be replaced by the constant value 0AH. Then there is a small in-lab exercise you need to perform on your emulator. You just need to write these four commands on your emulator and run and find the output of that small code. I'll do that for you as well. I'll open the emulator and explain few tabs of that software, and then place this small code on the window and try to run it and explore the software a bit more.